girliest and cringiest I will ever be. I still can't believe what started as an awkward handshake led to this very moment right here.
And that's kind of what we are. Real, imperfect, sometimes chaotic, but always us.
We were so young and I was so immature. I thought you were so weird for offering a handshake when we first met. I thought, wow, this guy is so formal. Turns out you are just as immature as me.
Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire.
I, Taylor, take you, Trevor, to be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward, for richer or for poor, for better or for worse, as long as we both shall live.
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
I've also watched Trevor mature from a high-energy, rowdy kid into a proper, respectable man. I mean, these days, he likes to keep a very nonchalant demeanor. He likes to say he likes to stay low-key. But I know, and if you watch him closely, a few drinks down, and my boy's ready to shine bright like a diamond.
It's your time. You were made to fly.
I'm super happy for both of you, and I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness. And Trevor, I hope you're ready to be a household husband 24/7. Love you both and congratulations.
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
She's someone you can laugh and cry with, or both at the same time. And Taylor will most definitely drive you crazy, but it's one of the things that people love the most about her. The first time I met Trevor, I knew he would be able to handle Taylor's craziness.
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
You've given me everything I've ever wanted and I root for you every day, especially in your career, because the only thing left for you to do is to retire me as soon as possible. Thank you for being so patient with me and showing me a love I didn't know existed.
One of my favorite things about us is how much we love to travel. It's something we always look forward to and something I hope we keep doing for the rest of our lives. Going somewhere new every day, exploring, eating good food, you confidently giving me wrong directions, but knowing we'll find our way through it all.